Is this the best budget camcorder for creators? This is a simple and fast review of the Yatao 2K vlogging camera with zoom and flip screen. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. All right, so as we get the box open, first thing you'll see is an instruction manual. And then the actual camcorder, digital camera, video camera I should say, is going to come in this bag and be wrapped up. So first of all, I just want to talk about the size, right? Like, awesome. It is very compact, gives you room to hook on, but it's really, really tiny, which is awesome. So we'll go through some of these features in a second, but just want to kind of give you the idea of the size. Flippable, which is the most important to me, right? Because I want to be able to record while doing this. Mountable, in here is going to be an area for a battery, as well as a 32 gigabyte memory stick. On the back, USB, so it's going to be USB-C. You got your buttons here on the top. We'll have our zoom capabilities and recording buttons. Little speaker, and this thing will stand. Has some little rubber nubs there. All right, so once we get this open, we'll have a USB-A to USB-C charger. Card box, card's already inserted. And it was looking like there's something else. Sorry. There we go. There's the battery. So, not sure exactly how much juice this will have when it first comes to you. Of course, that fell all the way down. But we're going to just insert this. Has arrows. You'll see a little piece to kind of keep it in place. And clicks that in. So just be aware to remove it. You'll just turn that little thing over and let it pop up. And then it should click in place. And from there, we should have some battery power. Usually these things do come with a little bit of juice. You'll have power and display. So looks like it comes about halfway full. You will have to adjust your date and everything like that. We have some display buttons. That's just going to turn on or off the display entirely. First of all, it'll get rid of the all the lettering and the menu options. First time we press it. Second time we press it, it'll go completely dark. Now we have a menu button, which will walk us through a number of different things. And remember, we have buttons over here to kind of talk about video resolution, loop recording, time-lapse recording, slow motion, sharpness, white balance, exposure, record audio, and the date stamp. So the second time we press it, it says date time, auto power off, screensaver, beep sound, language, frequency, format, default setting, and version. And then, of course, from there, we press mode again, we go back to the main thing. Mode, looks like it's going to go from camera, video camera with about almost 5 hours worth of record time to camera, like just this, digital or, like a regular camera where we would take pictures with this button. And it's either record or snap a picture. And then it'll go to the file. So if we wanted to play back some files. So we're going to go ahead and do some recording of this and see what the recording is like. but we're going to play around with this a little and take it from there. I will share the recording before we finish up and show you exactly what this looks like. All right, so I'm just going to video my dog here a little bit. Work the zoom in. Really close on his face. And we'll zoom out. Get a good feel for how far we are away. Probably good 7-8 feet, so it does a decent job. Not sure if there's a light feature or not. If this kind of automatically will take you into a darker room. See. Nope, it does not look like it. Well, I can kind of see the lamp here. It's in a very dark area. So we'll try and see if that allows for any kind of recording there or not. Alright, so this time I'm not in 2K, I'm in 1080p. So hopefully this is giving you a different look. It might be the same, but either way, that's a good puppy, isn't he? So just give me a little bit of feedback on kind of what this thing looks like. Film the room, looking for colors. Again, we'll zoom in as much as we can on that fella, and then we'll back out, get you an idea of the colors. Ideally this is brown, that's a green, and this is going to be kind of oranges and browns, and we'll see what it looks like. And hopefully the audio is picking up as well. All right, so you probably just watched a couple videos and a couple images that I took with this, and a couple key points. First and foremost, I didn't realize when I was filming in the dark room, all you got to do is press this OK button while you're in video mode or picture mode, and you'll get a fill light that comes on. I don't know that it's going to really do that great a job. As you can tell, it's mild, but it'll do better than nothing for sure. So definitely worth shooting with that. And just, again, that's just hitting the OK button. The other thing is it mentioned a cap, a lens cap in one of the reviews that I read. I did not have one. And the second thing is in the actual description on Amazon for this product, it says there's 2 batteries. I only got 1. So all that said, this thing's a beast for the value. I absolutely love it, and you just hold the power button down to turn it off. The noise is a little bit annoying to me, but you know, as far as a very affordable digital video camera, this thing is awesome. I do wish it had a lens cap. I like that it comes with its own little kind of travel bag, which is certainly an important feature. I don't see, and again, I'm just going to double check before I continue. Yeah, I don't see a second battery, and I definitely don't see a lens cap in there. So I'm missing those items, if they're supposed to be there or not. But overall, again, super valuable, or great value, I should say, more specifically on this. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps you with your buying decisions, and thanks for watching.